Hey, good morning, you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and teach you about compound interest because I got a lot of messages that you do not understand it. So it's actually not as hard as you think. It's different than simple interest because you're going to earn money on your money and then you're going to earn money on the money you earned. So it's going to go up faster than simple interest. So you're going to earn more money faster. So basically, compound interest grows on itself. And I know that that kind of doesn't maybe make sense. So I just want to give you an example, and I think that will make it clear. So let's think about this. So let's say that your parents gave you $100, okay? And they decided out of the kindness of their hearts to give you a monthly interest of 10%. So they want to give you 10% interest. All right. Now, we know that when we're doing interest, so basically just think about dividing this 100 by 10. So you know that every month you're going to get $10. Okay. So they're going to give you $10. So at the end of your first month, you're going to have $110. That's the first month. Okay. That was just simple interest right there. But because they're going to use compound interest when they give you their interest, we're going to now take this 110 now, and now we're going to take 10% interest off of that. So remember, whenever you're taking 10% of something, you're just going to take this decimal and move it. So if 110, there's a decimal at the end. We know that after every number, there's a decimal at the end. If you move it over just one time, then now 10% of 110 is just going to be $11. So we're going to say $11. Okay, so that's how much we're going to get. So now we're going to add 110 plus 11 is going to be $121. So at the end of the second month, now you get $121. Well, after we have the $121, they're going to give you 10% off of the $121. So now remember, when you're doing interest, remember this decimal, we're going to move it over one place. So you're going to get $12.10 of interest. And if you add it to that, you're going to get $133.10 at the end of your third month. This is an example of compound interest. So you always were going to get 10% interest, but your interest is going to be compounded or calculated off of the previous amount that you made. So first, your principal was $100. Then your principal was $110. Then your principal was $121. So that is an example of compound interest. So I hope that that makes it a little bit clearer. So let's think about how we're going to solve compound interest with let's look at an example here. Okay.